Ah, that's me, furry face. Looks like I stuck my tongue in a plug socket, right? Yeah, I just got home. Fuck, I think I brushed my hair the wrong way. Goes this way. Yeah, that's right. Ah, the man comb. Perfect. Yeah. Just got back. Found some stuff. Did you? You found stuff? All right. Yeah. Hi. It's me, Big Bear. And Little Brown Bear. Yay. And me. Look into my eyes. Yeah. And me. Little lion. Or tiger, whatever the hell I am. Found some stuff. Found this drink, but I drank half of it already. It's a lot to drink, a full can. I didn't want to pee in the middle of nowhere again. I had to avoid a couple of security guys at the train station, walking around with orange vests. As they went by, I took off so I could pee behind some kind of power station or something there. Anyway, I found that. Some coconut macaroons, which actually taste pretty good. Where is it? Coconut macaroons, $3 reduced, but they taste good. Almost gave some to a raccoon, but it's too busy running away. It's too far, so forget it. Found this globe. Where shall we go today? Where the hell is it? Shit. I think it's freaking Africa somewhere. Fuck. Gotta keep my finger on it. Get the magnifying glass, because it's too freaking small. God, I hate small print. Anyway, where was I? Algeria, of all places. Fuck that. Spin. Blah. Oh, I'm in the ocean. No, wait a minute. What the fuck is that? On the tip of Malaysia. Looks like Kuala Lumpur. I don't know. I think it's better than fucking Nigeria. Anyway, needs a better spin, doesn't it? Let Teddy hold the spot. Where are you, Teddy? What the hell is that? In Libya. Boy, you're crappy. You're picking prices. Oh, never mind. Yeah, try the other Teddy. Ooh, spinning it goes. We'll just stop it in the ocean. Wonderful. Now, closest land is San Jose. Oh, close to the United States. Not bad. My favorite bear for picking a spot. Jeez. Anyway, not an onion. Kind of big. There's a spot I gotta cut off, but it's a good sized onion. And I made almost $5 for something. I think I had $2 on me, so yeah, I made 4 because I got $6 now. Exactly. So, yeah, I made $6. Look into my eye. Yeah, I made $6. Whoa. $6, whoopee shit. I mean, yay. Yeah, well, it's something. Bye. 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 Hey, you got no arms. Oh, there they are. Bye. Well, alright. Oh, it's 4 minutes already. Anyway, it's freaking raining. Where's the mouse? There it is. So, toodaloo, till next time. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for further furry face production notifications. Well, bye for now.